We paid someone $35,000 to gut our house, and I'm gonna show you why I think it's worth every penny. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna show you all the befores and afters, so when we get done here, you can let me know if you think it was worth paying all that money. So first is the flooring. So this was travertine flooring. It smelled like piss and it was super dingy, so we had to get it up. But this is what shocked me. Over here, we had some tile, and it was fairly loose. I mean, Kitty came over here and just tapped it a couple times. You can almost knock them up with your foot. So my first thought was like, oh, this is gonna come up super easy. Day one, these dudes came in and they brought in this massive hammer drill, essentially, where it's two-handed and you're going through, and as soon as they started hitting this travertine, dead stop. I really thought it was gonna take them days upon days, but I will say, 3 straight days, they were hammering away. We had to close all the windows out front because it was so loud, but here's another thing we learned about flooring. So the initial quote that we got from the contractor did not include the hardwood flooring. So at the very last minute, he's like, yo, dude, this was not included. I'm gonna have to give you an additional price. So last minute, it ended up being like, what, 4,500 bucks?
$3,750.
$3,750 to have the hardwood flooring in this room and over here in this room. And when I saw that price, I'm like, $3,750. It's actually supposed to be $47. He's like, since I forgot to add it, let's just knock it down to the $37. And I did some research, and now I know why. Dude, the glue that was on here after they pulled up the flooring, it was just everywhere. So you can see that cord right there. They had to put a grinder on there and grind up all the glue in this room and this entire room here. So I mean, I can totally understand. $3,700 was a steal of the deal in my opinion, but all right, now that we're here, wait till you see this bathroom. Okay, we don't have lights in here, but you can see how empty it is, and I'm gonna be showing you the before of, you know, the massive vanity, the tub in the shower. Here's something I was not expecting. This tub was so heavy. I mean, the idea of me going in here and DIYing the demo, which was my first thought when I got the quote, after seeing how massive this tub was and how heavy it was, getting up this shower tile, it was brutal. I mean, these dudes were hammering away. How many guys do you think were here doing the demo?
10 at least.
10 dudes working 3 straight days to get it to what you're gonna see now. So the shower was brutal. I was surprised at how much work that took, and the massive tub. And then in here, which I'm so pumped about this, look how big and open this closet is. So they ended up pulling out all the cabinetry that was in this closet and then taking down this wall. Not crazy taking down this wall. Me and Kippy took a couple swings at it with the sledgehammer and had some fun there. But yeah, here we are. This is gonna be the new laundry room, which is exciting. But let me show some of the other stuff that they demoed in the house. Okay, this shower going away. So they ended up pulling out all of this. And as I'm walking through and showing you all these things that they did, no way would we be able to DIY this. I mean, if you have a full-time job, it's damn near impossible. All right, now for Big Bertha, the kitchen. So if you recall, this was a wall right here. There was a big fridge built into this area here. All the cabinetry, this gross island that has a vent that goes underneath the ground. Look at the cool artifacts we find inside there. It's filled with nuts and everything, and there must have been like a squirrel living in there. But yeah, all this coming out. One other thing I wasn't expecting with the renovation was it sounds like a good idea. Like, let's go in there and bash up the walls and pull down the cabinetry. It shouldn't be that hard. Man, you're having to disconnect all this. You're having to disconnect the wiring, the plumbing, making sure that you don't have any leaks. I mean, you end up busting one of these, there's a problem. I say that as there's a leak. And everyone wants to know what went wrong, right? You see all these shows on TV where they uncover a wall and there's mold everywhere. And what did we find during our demo? Nothing. And I really think that's because we hired Jay to come in here and manage all these guys. You know what? Something didn't go wrong. They threw away my internet router. I had a router over there, it was like $500 router. And the dudes accidentally threw it out. So small price to pay for all the work that was done, but that's it. That's the worst thing that happened here. All right, so as we continue over here, I'm gonna show you this bathroom, the befores and afters. And this was a closet, and I just realized they ended up taking out the entire wall, which is exciting. This is gonna be a closet from this bedroom that's now extended, much bigger. So this was taken out. We had a little bit of cabinetry here. And what you don't see is this is also going. You see the railing over here? That's going away, the railing on the other side, and then this railing here. We also have a little bit of railing right there that's gonna be going away. So that's included all in that same price. But let me show you this other bathroom, which was another doozy. All right, so we had a Jack and Jill, and you can see all the connections that had to be taken off, and the vanity, that vanity was wrapped nice and tight around all those pipes. And then here we had the tub, and then last is this vanity that came out, but there's something super awesome that the designer suggested to do with this bathroom here. So, like I said, this was a Jack and Jill, so this is what we're gonna do. There's a bedroom connecting the Jack and Jill, there's a bedroom on each side. We're gonna put a wall right here. So now this will be a shower, this will be a shower, so each room will have their own ensuite bathroom. So if you remember, downstairs, we're losing a room and a bathroom. We're removing that shower down there. So now, this is how we're gonna maintain the resale value because we just added an extra bathroom to each of these bedrooms. So that was our saving grace here, but thanks to Dagan Design for suggesting that one. Now you might be thinking, I don't know, man. I don't know if that's worth 35 grand. But here's the best part. Let me go outside, I'll show you. And if you want to see all this happen from beginning to end, make sure you're subscribed because we're going to be documenting everything week by week, showing you all the pros and cons of renovating a house. So here we go. All these windows. How many windows we got, Kitty?
63?
63, I think it's 65. 60 something windows have to be replaced. And the siding. So all that's included in the $35,000 demo bill. And here's the most important one. This wall right here is getting removed and pulled back. So the demo of this wall is also included in that. So everything I showed you, that's all the demo, 35 grand, not to mention the dumpsters. They manage all the scheduling and the payment for the dumpster guys. So it's really been turnkey for us. We just hired Jay, he came in here, managed them all, and then we were off to the races. So if you're on the fence, I'll say don't DIY it. If it's a bathroom, maybe, but full house, hire it out, save your sanity. And like I said, make sure you're subscribed because we want to show you what happens next week.